What's good, so fly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. Back with another video. As what I say, another day, another dollar. So it's our first dish, Suriname butter cookie. Yeah, so we just a jump right in it, people. So first we are gonna do right now, people.
2 tablespoons
We just a go
cornstarch.
sieve with flour, flour, baking powder, and cornstarch. Yeah, kind of different from our Jamaican cookie, cause we would really use cornstarch. And for this, now we are use we got cream the butter and the icing sugar, which them call powder sugar. So yes, we got the icing sugar right there. So we have the icing sugar, yeah. So we work with the icing sugar just like that. Then we are going to add the butter. We just have a cream icing sugar with butter and sugar right and fluff. After the cream, we're looking more cream until the cream get mean. So there's a little cream. You add a little bit of, if you have orange juice, you can add the orange juice. But them say lemon zest them use in this. So we are work with we are following the exact recipe. So after all that, people, we just add the flour. We just combine flour with the butter and the powder sugar. After we do that now, people, we roll it in a ball. Now. You can dust a surface, put little flour, roll it. Then we just pinch off a small portion, roll it in a smaller circle. Then we just put it down, just like we make it now, people, and we go press it down. You can use spoon, you can use fork, but today we use fork. So pinch off a little bit, just like that, people, just like that. Yeah, roll it, use a fork. Yeah, man, remember we are saying Suriname cooking, so at first we are doing it, and not so bad so far, because texture come out excellent. We just have a bake it. So we have some small ball, then we are bake it in the oven, 15 minutes. You know, bake it too long, because you don't want to cook it too dry. So, as we say, Suriname dish we are trying now. So the next one we are going to try, people, we are use cassava and make it cookie. We don't know how it's going to turn out, we don't know how it's going to taste, but as we say, we are trying out some Suriname dish. I kind of love that one, I mean, you have to try this. Open it and try it. Try it too.